Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the latest vacancies in finance domain for this week. So let's start the video. Friends, first vacancy is from GAIL India Limited. Name of post is Senior Manager Finance and Accounts. Their qualification asked is either a CA or a CMA or first class BA in economics or maths or in statistics along with MBA finance or first class graduation in engineers with MBA finance. Upper age limit is 28 years. There are 36 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. Friends, it's a permanent vacancy. You need to have 1 year of experience and you will be in the pay scale of 60,000 to 1,80,000. Mode of application is online and last date is 11th December 2024. Friends, before we move on to the next vacancy, I would like to inform you at Finance MCQ we are offering various courses covering the entire technical syllabus of your examination, and we are keep on adding new courses for your preparation as you can see on your screen. So visit Finance MCQ website, take a demo of your course and start your preparation. And in case you wish to prepare for non-technical syllabus, especially the reasoning topic, then visit PSU Exam Prep website. There we are offering video lecture course on reasoning topic. So check out that course also. Discount code and website link is mentioned in the description. You can check them. I wish you all the best for your examination. Moving on. The next vacancy is from HPCL LNG Limited. Name of post is Senior Officer Finance and Accounts. Here qualification asked is either a CA or a CMA. Age limit is 27 years. There is one vacancy. Place of posting is in Mumbai. Friends, it's a permanent vacancy. No prior experience asked, but desirable is that you should have at least 6 months of industry related experience. Package will be 10.77 lakhs per annum. Mode of application is online and last date is 19th December 2024. The next vacancy is from General Insurance Corporation of India. Name of post is Scale 1 Officer Finance. Qualification asked is BCom with minimum 60% mark. Desirable is that you should have a MBA Finance, CFA, CA, CMA or MCom degree. Upper age limit is 30 years. There are 18 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. Friends, it's a permanent vacancy. No prior experience asked. Per month salary will be around 85,000. Mode of application is online and last date is 19th December 2024. The next vacancy is from Karnataka Bank Limited. Name of post is Probationary Officer. The qualification asked is post-graduation or graduate in agriculture sector, graduate in law, CA, CS, CMA. Upper age limit is 28 years. Number of vacancy is not mentioned. Place of posting will be all over India wherever Karnataka Bank are having their branches. Nature of employment is permanent. No prior experience asked. Per month salary will be around 1,17,000. Mode of application is online and last date is 10th December 2024. The next vacancy is from ICMR, National Institute of Occupational Health. Name of post is assistant. Qualification asked is graduation. Upper age limit is 30 years. There are 2 vacancy. Place of posting is in Ahmedabad. Hence it's a permanent vacancy. No prior experience asked. Package per annum is 7.5 lakh. Mode of application is online and last date is 11th December 2024. The next vacancy is from State Bank of India. Name of post is Junior Associates, Customer Support and Sales. Here the qualification asked is graduation. Upper age limit is 28 years. There are 50 vacancy. Place of posting is in Chandigarh. Friends, it's a permanent vacancy. No prior experience asked. Per month pay scale will be in the range of 24,050 to 64,480. Mode of application is online and last date is 27th December 2024. The next vacancy is from the Nainital Bank Limited. Name of post is clerk. Qualification asked is graduation or post graduation with minimum 50% marks. Upper age limit is 32 years. There are 25 vacancy. Place of posting is in Northern India. Friends, it's a permanent vacancy. No prior experience asked. Per month pay scale will be in the range of 24,050 to 64,480. Mode of application is online and last date is 22nd December 2024. So that's all for this week, friend. I hope you find this vacancy useful. I will see you all in the next week with the latest update. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end.